fancy, but there's always
Yeah, I'll have a show like Oprah. I'll be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Johnny your wish list. I'll probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had it.
One jump ahead of the hoofbeats, one hump ahead of the hump. One trick ahead of disaster. They quick, but I'm much faster. Here it goes, better come a hand and wish me at the landing. All I gotta do is jump!
Well, according to the laws of Arabia, the princess must be wed by the time she turns 21.
Polly, what's a cracker? You're my little feathery friend. Jasmine, I think we have to post some selfies like this. Mother!
So if you're feeling true loving, all we gotta do is hold it and kiss him and squeeze him and love him. Just do it, and after you do, you will be his.
The only way to get what you want is to become the Sultan.
Can you do that?
My dear feathery friend, that's what I do. It's what I live for.
Fresh fish, we get them, you buy them. You know this girl?
Unfortunately, I do. You see, she's my sister, and she's a good one. Come on, boo!
What's that? Come back, you little thieves!
What was that?
You're not free to make your own choices.
Sometimes you feel so
You're just trapped.
Oh dear, oh how frightfully upsetting. Had I but known.
What do you mean?
Sadly, the boy sentence has already been carried out.
What sentence?
Death! By beheading!
Seek thee out the diamond in the rock, in the rock, in the rock.
Yes, Jimmy! Oh, hallelujah! Thanks, Jim. You have no idea what it's like being stuck inside that lab for the last 10,000 years, 22 hours, and 53 seconds. I have the world's worst wedgie.
Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends hold it on the metal hand? Can your friends know who? Well, looking here.
All aboard! Keep your hands safely on the car. The exits are there, and there.
Trouble!
friends never break promises.
Well, I'll be damned. I never thought that Gina could have a real friend.